Hello everyone. Welcome back to the English Shadowing Podcast. I'm Amelia. If you have something you'd like me to talk about next, write it in the comments. Today's episode is very special because it's about motivation, about strength, and about never giving up on your English journey. Learning a language takes time. It takes patience. And it takes heart. But every word you speak, every sentence you repeat, every effort you make, brings you closer to fluency. So sit back, take a deep breath, and let's begin this calm English shadowing practice together. When you start learning English, it feels exciting. Everything is new. Every word sounds beautiful. But after some time, it can feel difficult. You forget words. You make mistakes. You lose confidence. That's normal. Every learner feels this way. Even the best speakers once struggled. Confidence doesn't appear in one day. It grows slowly, like a seed becoming a tree. Each time you practice, you are growing, even if you don't see it yet. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you want to stop, because progress feels invisible. But remember this. The results are not always visible, but they are always real. Every time you listen, every time you speak, every time you repeat, your brain is learning. Your mouth is training. Your voice is getting stronger. So never give up, because small steps become big changes. Let me tell you a secret. Every fluent English speaker you admire was once afraid to speak. They also made mistakes. They also forgot words. But they didn't stop. They kept going. Even when nobody understood them. Even when they felt embarrassed. Even when it was hard. That's how you grow. By not giving up. By standing up again and again. Every mistake is a step forward. You might think, I can't do it. It's too difficult. But you can. You truly can. Because learning a language is not about talent. It's about consistency. A little practice every day. Even 10 minutes. Even 5. Makes a difference. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Some days you'll feel confident. Other days you'll feel lost. And that's okay. That's how real learning works. Remember this line. Progress is not a straight line. It's full of ups and downs. But every step counts. Even on slow days. You're still moving forward. When you listen to English, you are training your ears. When you repeat after me, you are training your voice. When you understand new words, you are training your mind. Everything you do matters. Even small efforts. Even quiet study moments. Even mistakes. Because your journey is not about being fast. It's about being steady. It's about being kind to yourself. Let's repeat together. I will not give up. I'm learning every day. My English is improving. I believe in myself. I can do this. Again. I will not give up. I'm learning every day. My English is improving. I believe in myself. I can do this. Feel the words. Feel their power. Let them stay in your heart. Sometimes people laugh at your mistakes. Or they correct you too quickly. And you feel small. But never let that stop you. Because every person who laughs has also made mistakes in their life. You are brave. You are learning something new. You are doing something many people never try. You should be proud of yourself. When you speak English, speak with confidence. Even if your voice shakes. Even if your grammar isn't perfect. Your message. Your feeling. Your effort. That's what truly matters. People remember how you make them feel. Not how perfect your grammar was. So speak with heart. And your English will shine. Let's shadow some positive affirmations. I am confident when I speak English. I enjoy learning this language. I learn from every mistake. I'm improving little by little. And that's enough. Once more. I am confident when I speak English. I enjoy learning this language. I learn from every mistake. I'm improving little by little. And that's enough. Perfect. You're doing wonderful. Remember, your English journey is unique. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow. But in the end, everyone arrives. The only difference is who keeps walking. So keep walking. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Your moment will come. There will be days when you feel tired. When your motivation feels low. When your mind says stop. But in those moments, don't quit. Just rest. Take a break. And start again. Even one small step tomorrow is better than stopping completely. You owe it to yourself to keep going. Because you've come too far to give up now. Think about your first English words. How you struggled to pronounce them. How you practiced again and again. Now look at you. Listening. Understanding. Speaking. You've already improved so much. So don't stop now. You're on your way. Let's practice one more time. I am strong. I am learning. I am improving. I believe in my future. I will never give up. Once more. I am strong. I am learning. I am improving. I believe in my future. I will never give up. Wonderful. Let's finish today's session with calm reflection. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And think about how far you've come. Remember the first time you tried to speak English. Remember how nervous you felt. And see how much better you are today. You did that. Through patience. Through courage. through love for learning. You are becoming the person you once dreamed of being. So my dear friend, never give up. Keep speaking. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Every day you are growing. Every word you say matters. Every step brings you closer. Believe in yourself. Because I believe in you. Thank you for joining me today for this calm and motivational shadowing practice. I'm Emily, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Stay strong. And never give up on your English journey.